Hey guys, in today's video, I'm taking you along with me on my guest bathroom extreme makeover. This is the bathroom before, and the colors in here, guys, are browns, beige with some white trim, and to me, it's somewhat dark and dim in this bathroom. And for me, it was not reflecting the rest of the house since we've done some upgrades. So I thought, why not go ahead and bring it up to par? And so now you are looking at day one of demolition. The guys are here. They are removing all of the tile from the walls. They will be removing the existing drywall because we are going to replace it with new drywall. We'll also be adding some new insulation up there in the ceiling. And the demolition here is pretty much done except for the flooring. But as you can see now, the room is down to studs. And as I was saying earlier, I think the style before was okay, but I just needed it to reflect the rest of my home with a more open, bright, modern, clean edge, and streamlined style. So let me just take a moment to say thank you guys for stopping by, tuning in, watching this video again. If you are new, I want to say welcome to you. Thank you so much for finding interest and clicking on this video. But child, if you are not new and you just keep finding yourself in my house, it's okay, baby. You ain't gonna wear your welcome out because I appreciate you being here. I have so much fun with y'all. So guys, listen, please like the video, leave your comments, and just so that you know, doing that has a huge impact on the growth of this channel. So I would greatly appreciate if you just converse with me, hit that like button, and let me know what you're thinking. I'm not a guru at this, so if you got any ideas, go ahead and share them with me as well. But you guys know, I just want to say I love you and I thank you so much. So what you guys see me doing is taking some measurements. And what I did was I measured out the width of the vanity, which is 36 inches wide, because I need to know precisely where I am going to be hanging my sconces, because I do want my sconces to sit or hang within the vanity area. I do not want them to exceed the length of the vanity. So I'm trying to make sure that the sconces are going to be hung correctly. And so what I do need for them to measure is each end of the sconce, from one end of the sconce to the other end, should measure 36 inches as well. So right now I am measuring the height from the floor because they should also be hung 60 to 65 inches from the floor. And here I'm just showing you a sketch of my measurements in the vanity. Guys, this is something I always have to do beforehand. So today is the second day. Demo was done on yesterday. They came in, they got it done. It took them only a few hours just to demo this bathroom, and they took out all of the drywall. They took out the ceiling, they took out the toilet, they took out the vanity, the mirror, everything. And so today is the second day, and I just came in to do some measurements for the layout because, guys, when you are designing a space, it is quite different than decorating a space. Designing a space requires a lot of measurements, precise measurements, because you have to take into account where your electrical is going to be going, especially if you're going to be installing new electrical. You also have to take into consideration your plumbing if you are going to be relocating your plumbing. So designing is quite different from decorating. And my husband and I, we designed, when we remodeled our kitchen, we designed the kitchen. When we remodeled our bathroom and the primary bedroom, we designed that bathroom as well. So it's very critical, y'all. This is the critical stage, because as opposed to having a contractor come in and design the space and then execute the work, we typically don't do it like that. We like to design our own space and then have the contractor come in and execute the work, so that so that we really get kind of like what we want. We know where we want to place this, where we want to place that, how high we want that. And we typically just go by the rule of thumb as far as when you're hanging sconces, or when you put in a vanity mirror, or how big a vanity should be in a space for this size of a bathroom, which is a small bathroom because it's the guest bathroom. So you have to take all of that in consideration when you are designing a space. The size of the pieces, and the height of things that are going to be hanging. So, and you know what, guys, I love this part just as much as I love decorating the space. So I already have a lot of the stuff here for the bathroom, guys, and I'm going to just show you the vanity here. So this is the vanity. It's an all white vanity. It has the black hardware. However, the faucet, I'm not going to use a black faucet for this. I'm going to use the gold faucet for this. And I'm not going to change out the other hardware to gold. I don't want a lot of gold hardware. I do want to mix the metals between the gold and the black. But the only gold I think I'm putting in there was the faucet. I think that's the only gold that I'm putting in there. And this, let me show you guys the sconces that I have for the wall. But again, everything is very clean, the clean lines and everything. So that's the look that I'm going for. So it's gonna be black hardware, white, and a tad bit of gold metal. So let me show you guys the faucet. Here I have the towel. The towel that is gonna go in there will be white. So let me see if I can show you what this faucet here is looking like. So this is the faucet that I'm using in there on the vanity. This is the faucet. I can show you guys the hardware for the shower area as well. And the vanity already came with the top. Some vanities you have to purchase the top separately. It all depends on how you want to buy your vanity, with a top or without a top. And this one came with a top, and it's all white. And I forgot what type of stone this is here on the top. Let me see. So 36-inch vanity with top. So this is an engineered stone top, white engineered stone top. So it's not a real stone. And it has matte black finish hardware, and the legs are matte black as well. I like that. It's soft closed drawers, solid wood, and metal frame. This is a pre-drilled sink for a single hole faucet, and it also comes with a 3-inch backsplash. Okay, so let's see. And here's the hardware for the shower area. So this is like a matte black. Oh, can you guys see it? I don't want to take it out the thing yet. So the hardware for the shower is matte black. Matte black. Here's the shower head. Ooh, Jesus, I'm just... Yeah, so this is the shower head. Just trying to show you guys. Ooh, my hands are a hot mess, y'all. Child. I ain't got my nails done in a while because I've been all over the place. But look, ooh, I'm going to get these things done soon. Okay, let me show y'all the towel. So this is the towel that's going to go in there. It is all white. It is a white Windsor white polish rectified by Satori. Well, Satori by Anatolia. This is a porcelain towel. Okay, and down there I just have the grout and whatever it is. That's the Vagabond for the tile flooring. We are going to be doing, my tile in the bathroom is different from the flooring in the rest of the house, so we are going to go ahead and match that up to what I got going on throughout the house. So we are changing the tile floor in the bathroom as well. Oh, here's some more hardware. The towel rings here. What is this? This is the single post paper holder. Oh, I think this is the toilet paper. And this is a robe hook right here. And I guess this may be the towel bar. I think that's all I have right here. This is what the contractor bought over on day one. They may still have some stuff at the warehouse. Oh, and let me show you guys the vent fan. So I have here, this is the exhaust fan. So you know, you guys, a lot of times you have to have an exhaust fan in the bath because it helps to get rid of the moist and the dampness and all of that stuff from the heat that accumulates in the bathroom when you take a shower and all of that stuff. But anyway, this is the bath fan. I picked this out because it has a Bluetooth speaker and it also has the LED light and a night light, so you can hook up your music to it and stream your music from your phone to the Bluetooth. So almost like a little surround sound in there. So that is that. And then over here I have, oh my gosh, messing up my stuff. Sure. Yeah. But y'all see, I got everything sitting in my living room. Sure. So it is day 3, guys, and what has taken place today was some electrical work. The electrician came out and he installed the power boxes for the sconces, and here are the measurements for that I took for the sconces. This is going to be the bottom of the sconce where it stops, and the top part of the sconce will be here, and this is where the power source is for that sconce. And then over here on the other side, same thing. This is the measurement I took. This is where the bottom of the sconce will stop, and then right here. So yeah. And then here's the power box for to turn on the power here in the bathroom, and also an electrical outlet was installed there. And then here we have the exhaust fan that was installed. As you can see, it runs out through the wall at the very top up there, or through the roof, I guess that is the attic. So that was done today as well. And then also the drywall guys came back out to do to put some studs on the wall so they can get ready to hang all new drywall. So some studs were added, and they also framed out the niches here for the shower area. They reframed that. I already had the niches there, but they did reframe those. And as you can see, I did have some water damage or moist issues in here at one time, so you'll see some of that in that area there, but that's been resolved. That's why it's so important to have these exhaust fans installed. And so guys, that is it. That is it for today's video. I will see you guys in the next one. And as always, stay well, be blessed, and I love you. Bye-bye.